we will discuss the question answers. Okay, so you be ready with your textbook and notebook. Okay, students. What is the first question that we have to discuss today? Some of the questions already discussed. Okay, so had BP Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about the trip to Ranchi? Yes. Had BP Babu, yes, students provide your response. Had BP Babu really lost his memory? Had BP Babu really
No, sir.
lost? Yes.
No, Bipin Babu had not yet lost his memory and
BP
forgotten
Babu.
about trip to Ranchi. It was a trick played by Chunilal. He did it as a Bipin Babu did not help him to get a job.
Very good, Jia. So, no, Bipin Babu had not really lost his memory. Okay, it was a trick played on him by his friend Chuni Lal. Is it clear to you? Okay, he was losing his sleep over his fear. He soon realized that it was a prank played on him by Chuni Lal. So this question is clear to all of you. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Now next is, why do you think Chuni Lal did what he did? Why do you think Chuni Lal did what he did? What was done by Chuni Lal? He played a prank on
Friends with
Big
Bipin
Boss.
Babu because he had
Yes.
not
So,
supported him in his rough time. Chunilal had no money, but he possessed a good mind.
Okay. So why do you think Chuni Lal did what he did? Chuni Lal said he has no money. What is that he does have? So Chuni Lal wanted Chunilal did what he did in order to take a revenge from Bipin Babu. In order to take a revenge, in order to take revenge from Bipin Babu, because he
He had
sent.
not supported him in his rough time.
Yeah,
Because
yes. He asked Bipin Babu's help during his time of crisis, during his rough time. But he was not supported by Bipin Babu, and therefore he wanted to take a revenge from him. And in order to take revenge, he played this prank on him. Is it clear to you, students?
yes, sir.
All of you, yes, Vardhan, you have raised your hand. Yes, Vardhan, you have raised your hand. Do you have any problem? Okay, it was by mistake. Okay. So these are two questions given at page number 17. You know well. Okay. Then answer the following questions. The next is, the author describes B.P. Babu as a serious and hardworking man. The author describes B.P. Babu as a serious and hardworking man. What evidences can you find in this story to support this? What
The
evidence
author,
can you
the
find?
author has described Bipin Babu as a hard-working and serious man. He was
Yes.
daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job.
So children, it should not be like this that only single student will answer all the questions. Everyone has to take part in the classroom discussion. Everyone has to respond. Tejas has written, Bipin Babu had been working in a big firm for 25 years. He never got negative remarks during this period. He was an efficient and tireless worker. This is a clear evidence that Bipin Babu was a serious and hardworking man. Yes, anyone else?
He
What about?
was doing a responsible job.
Okay. Yes. What about other students? Everyone has to take part in classroom discussion. Yes, other students. What about you? Provide your response. Rajab, Chinmay, Komal Meena.
Bipin Babu was a serious and hard-working fellow. He went to office regularly and he was doing a responsible job. He was not a good miner. Being serious-minded, he didn't waste his time in idle chat.
Yeah. So he was going to his office regularly. He was very much devoted to his work. He has never taken a leave all this. Okay. Bipin Babu was a serious, honest, and hardworking man. He went to office regularly every day. He used to go to office. Then he was doing a responsible job, and he was not a good mixer. Being serious-minded, he didn't waste time in idle chat. No time. He used to waste his time. Okay, so he indicates that he was a very good devoted worker. And next it is, why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chuni Lal? Why did he change his mind about meeting Chuni Lal? What was the result of this meeting? What was the result of this meeting? What
Sir,
was the
may
result?
yes,
One by one, one by one. Yes.
sir, may,
Who
sir,
want
may
to?
I?
No, no idea. Not you this time. Anyone else? Who else want to answer? Yes. Others also. Children must
Sir, me,
uh, yeah, Jia Patil, Jia, you.
Vipin Babu changed his mind about meeting Chunilal because he thought that it might be possible that Chunilal remembered something about the Ranchi trip. When Chunilal found the Vipin Babu had been to Ranchi, Vipin Babu thought that here is something wrong with his memory and decided to see a specialist doctor.
Good, Jia, very good. So, Chunilal told, okay, Bipin Babu changed his mind about meeting Chunilal because he thought that it might be possible that the later Chunilal remembered something about the Ranchi trip because he thought that Chunilal might had remembered something about the Ranchi trip when Chunilal, okay, because Chuni was having this knowledge that Chuni Lal was having a sharp memory. Okay, and when Chuni Lal confirmed that Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi, Bipin Babu decided to see a specialist. Okay, so Bipin, this is clear to you. Bipin Babu first refused to meet Chunilal. Bipin Babu first refused to meet Chunilal. He was not in a mood to help Chunilal out of his trouble. Okay, he was not in a mood to help him out of his trouble, but he changed his mind. He thought Chunilal might remember something about the Ranchi trip as he has a very good memory. So he might have remembered something of the Ranchi trip. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did Bipin Babu change his mind? First of all, he thought that Chuni Lal might have came to his residence for seeking any help. So he asked the servant to say him that he is not in a position to meet, and not only today but in the week to come. But then he thought that Chuni Lal might have been knowing something about the Ranchi trip as he is having a very good memory. So he thought to meet him. Okay. And what was the result of the meeting? It was confirmed by Chuni Lal. It was confirmed by Chuni Lal that yes, he visited to Ranchi. Okay. Then next, Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Gudru Falls. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at true force. What do you think was the reason for this? What do you think was the reason for this? Yes.
Sir, may
Sir, me.
Just a minute, just a minute. Antia, then Shubham, anyone else?
Sir,
Then
may
Yes,
I?
sir. Sir, may I?
What about others?
Bipin
Just,
Babu might have lived
just wait,
near
just wait. Okay, Tejas, you this time. Yeah.
Bipin Babu was under great stress, thinking that he has lost his memory. Thus, he was undergoing submetal agony. The journey by train to Ranchi, taking round to of the city in a taxi and then to Hundro Falls. Hence, due to
Sir, my
fatigue
answer is
and
Just a minute. When your turn comes at that time, and for that I will tell you. Yeah, continue, Tejas.
Bipin Babu lost his conscious at Hundru Falls.
Okay,
sir.
good.
My answer is
Yeah,
different.
yeah, Antia, you can speak now. Yes, Antia.
Bipin Babu might have slept near Hudru Falls that made him unconscious.
Repeat it.
Bipin Babu might have slept near Hudru Falls that made him unconscious. Conscious.
Vipin Babu lost consciousness at Uddu Falls. Yeah, so Vipin Babu, uh, one thing is that Vipin Babu went there on the doctor's advice. And what was the advice? The advice was that sometimes what happens when patients they visit the patients of memory loss when they visit to the same place, okay, which was familiar, which was related to their earlier life, they may remember something. So, as the incident which you don't remember is related to Ranchi, so you just visit at that place, and might be possible when you will see all those places, you might remember everything. Okay, you might regain your memory loss. Okay. So when Bipin Babu went there, he was reminded of nothing. He was reminded of nothing. And due to this, what happened? Due to this, what happened? He was overstressed. He was overstressed and he lost his memory. Okay. He thought to remember everything. He visited there on the advice of the doctor. Okay. But all this was in vain and he has not regained his memory, and due to that he was very much in overstress and he lost his consciousness. Okay, so this is one. Then what do you think was the yeah, then so the reason also we have discussed. Then children, the next question it is
Sir, there are two reasons for this question.
yeah, so what speak.
Sir, there are two reasons for this question.
There are
Two reasons for this question.
yeah, you can also this. Then the next is how do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him?
Sir, may I?
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, Kusagri, you tell.
Yes, sir. Vipin Bapu's
Yeah.
first reaction was regretted having refused to help Chunnilar. He thought Chunnilar tricked to test him and learned a lesson.
Yes, Kusagri, just repeat it.
Yes, sir.
Kusagri,
Yes, sir. Vipin Bapu's first reaction was that he regretted having refused to help Chunnilar.
he regretted about it that he had not helped his friend during that time of crisis. Okay. How did you? How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out? Okay, so this is all about he regretted and he thought that he had not helped his friend during the time of his crisis, and one should help anyone during the time of their crisis. Okay, during their
Okay.
bad times. Then next it is regarding. So all these questions will you be able to do? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next it
Yes,
is regarding. Next it is regarding working with the language. Working with the language questions. Working with the language questions, it is he had to buy at least 5 books to last him through the way. Bipin had to ask Chuni to leave. Had to is used to show that it was very important or necessary for Bipin Babu to do something. He had no choice. We can also use have to, has to in the same place as what that takes. Okay. So now I cut my haircut every month. What will come? I
Have to.
have
two.
I have to because this is present perfect adding compulsion. If it would be she, then she has. If it would be he, then he has to. It is I, so I have to. If it would have been you have to. If it would have been they have to. Okay, so with plural, have to with the singular has to. So I have to cut my. Is it clear to you? Then we go for swimming lessons last year. Last year. Last year is coming. So last year is indicating that it is of a past. So
Have to.
had will come. We had to. We had to. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
see tell the principal to tell the principal. Yeah.
Has to.
Yeah.
Had to.
See tell the principal the truth. Okay, so it means that it is also about a complicated that. So she had to tell the principal the truth. Okay, she had to tell the principal the truth. Then next, to take a baby.
They had to.
They had to.
They
They
have,
have to.
they have, they have, they have to take the baby to the doctor. They have to take the baby to the doctor. Okay. They have to take the baby to the doctor. Is it clear to you? Because no past adverb is given. So they have to take it. And in the earlier one also, she has to tell the principal the truth. Okay. If you consider it as a recently completed, so you can consider it that of the present perfect. So she has to tell the principal the truth. They have to take the baby to the doctor and we complain to the police about the complaint. We have to complain to the police about the noise. Okay. Then Romit finishes homework before he could come out to play. Before he could come out. Here had to. Romit had to. Okay. Romit had to. So likewise, then I repair my cycle yesterday.
Had
Okay.
to.
Had to.
Had to.
Had
Had
to. So likewise the things are to be completed. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then next it is regarding here are a few idioms that you will find in the story. Look for them in the dictionary, find their meanings. You have to tell their meaning. First of all, from close quarters, the stranger was looking at Bipin Babu from close quarters. The stranger was looking at Bipin Babu from close quarters. Chinmay, you want to ask something? Your hand is raised. Chinmay. Okay. So Close quarters. Close quarters. What is the meaning? From very nearby. From very nearby. Is it clear to you? Close quarters means from nearby. Then break into a smile. Break into. Okay. So break into means what? To do something abruptly. Is it clear to you? Break into. To do something suddenly, abruptly. Then next is carry on. Carry on means to continue. Carry on means to continue. Okay. Then have a clean record. Have a clean record means to have a good record. Clean record means
The
to have,
clean record.
yeah, to have a good record. And reading about the bush, where the word
The
yeah, means to come to the talks straightforwardly rather than wasting time. Okay, so read about the bush means to talk in a straightforward manner. To talk in a straightforward manner. You have understood what is the meaning of reading about the bush? To talk in a straightforward manner. Okay, all the grammar given in the textbook is also very important, and this is asked under the heading do as directed. Do as directed. Okay, so do as directed, some questions of 4 to 5 marks are asked, and then under the heading it is given use this phrase in a sentence of your own, and what is its meaning. Use this idiom in a sentence of your own, and what is this meaning. So likewise the questions are asked there in exam. So you have to take all, you have to understand all the grammar work that is given there in the textbook exercises. Okay, so this you have understood. All these word meanings.
Yes, sir.
Then children, the next thing is regarding study the sentences in column B, column A and column B. Compare the sentences in the two columns, especially the verb forms. Answer the following questions about each pair of sentences. Okay, so which column tells us that Bipin Babu is still working at the same place? Which column tells us that Bipin Babu is still working at the same place?
Column B.
Study both the columns. I saw this movie yesterday. Bipin Babu. Okay, then column B. I have seen this movie already. Bipin Babu worked here for a week last year. Bipin Babu has worked here since 2003. Okay, so column which column tells us that Bipin Babu is still working at the same place? Column B. Okay. Then which column suggests that Chunni Lal is now waiting for a reply from the publisher?
Column A.
Chunni has written to a publisher. Chunni Lal wrote to a publisher last week. Okay. Chunni Lal wrote to a publisher last week. So this is the completed action of the past. Chunni Lal has written to a publisher. He has recently written. Okay. So what will be the result? That is not given, and it is not a completed action. Okay. So you can say column B. Okay. Chunni Lal has written to the publisher. So likewise, children, now what you have to do? Given below. Okay. Then which column suggests that the person still remembers the movie he saw? I have seen this movie already. Yes, Sakshi, I have seen this movie already. So if somebody is saying that I have seen this movie already, it means that he remembers that movie. Okay, that's why he is able to tell that he has seen it already. So all this you do. Then given below are jumper sentences. Working in groups, rearrange the words. Jumbled sentences are there. These jumbled words and phrases are there, and you have to rearrange them in order to make meaningful sentences. You know, children, that in exam, rearrange the jumbled sentences are asked. It is asked in exam or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
From class 6 onwards, you are familiar with this. Rearrange the jumbled words and phrases in order to make a meaningful sentence. Sakshi is asking, sir, English में कितने chapter आ रहे हैं? First of all, you have to write it in English, and then the next thing, earlier day also I reminded you that during the class you should pay your maximum attention there in the class. Already I have informed you, and almost in every class since the date of the test has been declared, I am reminding you that prepare well. This is the syllabus. It means that you are not there, you are not a regular student, you don't remain there in the class regularly, and then once you come, you ask all these informations. So what is the advice to you? Be there in the class every time, attend the class regularly so that you can enrich your knowledge, you can learn, okay, and you can get all the updates. Is it clear to you, Sakshi? No problem. This I will inform you after the class. Okay. WhatsApp group also the information will be sent. So you make meaningful sentences, students, out of these. Okay. The first one, what will be the meaningful sentence? Stop and tell me, thinking about what you want the push. Okay, so the sentence will be such which will also help you to understand the meaning of reading about the push. Okay, so what it will be? Stop. Yes, make a meaningful sentence. Do it fast. Yes, students.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, there is you time.
Sir, stop beating after the bush and tell me what you want.
You use the after, so instead of after, about. Stop thinking about the bush and tell me what you want. Stop beating about the bush and tell me what you want. Okay, so stop talking that of here and there and straightforwardly come to the topic, come to the point what you want. So that is, so the idea here is speaking about the bush. Then don't pay if you attention, you might the wrong train to the announcement board. Okay, so you try to make a sentence out of it.
If you don't pay attention to the announcement, you might board the wrong train.
Yes, Karishma. If
As
you
an idiom,
pay attention to, if you don't pay attention to the announcement, you might go to a wrong train. That is the meaningful sentence. The next, the villagers tried the crime on the young woman to pay. Okay, the villagers tried to.
the villagers tried to pin the crime on the young woman.
Yeah, likewise. So all this you have to complete. You will be able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
if
sir.
it is-
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it comes there in exam. Always you should think for twice, thrice. Okay, again and again. What should be the central thought in your mind that I have to make a meaningful sentence? Your sentence should be meaningful, and again when you will read the sentence, you will come to know that some whether it is meaningful or not. Then speaking and writing task, students. What do you think happened after Bipin Babu came to know the truth? Was he angry with his friends for playing such a trick on him, or do you think he decided to help a friend in need? After getting a lesson What do you think? What will be Bipin Babu's ideology? Yes, what do you think?
So, when Bipin Babu came to know the truth of how Chunilal tricked him, he was ashamed and filled with remorse, combined with a mixed feeling of anger for not helping Chunni when he could. He would come to him asking for help. Bipin Babu was angry on Chunilal for his ill health. However, he was also happy to know that he didn't suffer any memory loss whatever.
Okay.
Soon,
Yes, continue.
soon after he realized that he had indeed become a victim of forgetfulness by forgetting the real purpose of friendship due to his awfulness, Vipin Babu learned a lesson from his incident and he decided to always help a friend in need going forward.
Yes.
Sir,
So
may I?
he learned a
Sir,
lesson.
may I?
Of course, he learned a lesson from it. He realized that he should help his friends in need. At the same time, for time being, he became angry that such a kind of thing was not to be done by a Chunilal. He should not have acted in this manner. But he was also happy that there was nothing like memory loss, and it was a friend played on him by his friend Chunilal. He regretted for his act with Chunilal, and for future he decided that he will help both his friends will remain in. Okay, so this is now second. Imagine you are Bipin Chaudhary. So this is for the earlier question. This is the outline, and you can write your response as per this outline. Then imagine you are Bipin Chaudhary, you have received Chunilal's letter and feel ashamed that you did not bother to help an old friend down on his luck. Now you want to do something for him. Write a letter to Chunilal promising to help him. So this is first of all you tell me. Yes, Tejas, you will be given chance.
Sir,
Let me explain. First of all, a letter written to a friend is what kind of letter? Is that a formal letter or informal letter? That
Informal.
sir, informal letter.
informal letter. So all those letters which we write to our friends, our relatives, family members, okay, they are informal letter. And all those letters which are written to certain officers, they are formal letter. Okay. So in informal letter and through you have to write your address in how many lines? In 2 lines. Okay. First 2 lines you have to write your address, then 1 line gap. 1 line gap. Okay. And then you have to write date. Okay, and then you have to write here friend. Okay, so first of all, the format remains very important. You should know the format. If we talk about the formal letter, then at the top your address, then 1 line gap, then date is to be written, then 1 line gap, and the address of that office is to be written to whom you are writing in formal letter. But in informal letter, first of all, in 2 lines, your address, then 1 line gap, date you have to write, and then you have to write here friend. Okay, dear brother, dear sister, likewise you have to write. Is it clear to you? So this is an informal letter. Now the question is, imagine you are Bipin Chaudhary, you have received Chunilal's letter and feel ashamed that you did not bother to help an old friend down on his luck. Now you want to do something for him, write a letter to Chunilal promising. So of course what you will write here? Yeah, who is going to answer now? The class is about to end. Okay, the time is Right up. So yeah, who want to respond? Yeah, Shubham, fast. Write your
So
response.
may I?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, from letter format or from?
Yes, yes, fast. What will be the subject matter? What you will
Okay.
write?
Let me first thank you for your letter dated 10th November. I am really feeling sorry for disappointing you. I can understand you resentment. Now allow me to give you a happy news. I spoke to my friend in Delhi and he has agreed to engage you as assistant manager in his firm.
So likewise, the subject matter of the letter will be, if you
Sir, may
write,
I?
yes, Shubham.
On March 26, I received a letter from one of my friends. I continued a happy news that I had been granted scholarship from back date. He asked me to call on him in April so that both would go together to the office of the superintendent of the school. I was very glad. I even distributed sweets to my neighbors, but when I reached my friend's house, I found him laughing at me. He was April the 1st, All Fool's Day. I got over it soon and admired the principal joke or the prank.
Okay, so likewise, the subject matter for Shubham, that he said that he regretted what he did with him, and he talked to one of his friends, and a job has been found for him. He can go to that place and contact for the job. Okay. So likewise, you have to write. So children, the class comes to an end here. Okay. You do the question answers there in your notebook, and the next day we will start the point last bargain. The last bargain. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. This class comes to an end here.